Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be unboxing the KZ EDX Lite. I have used the KZ EDX Pro for more than a year and it was quite a nice in-ear monitor and it was very durable. I used to use it very roughly, so it was broken. The EDX Pro costed me rupees 990 or 1000 rupees, and this one costs rupees 700 699 only. And speaking of 799, I bought them from headphonezone.in. I accidentally ordered the wrong color and I had to use their customer service, which is quite nice, and customer care support is nice, I would say. And coming to the unboxing part, there's nothing special, there's just usual stuff like here's the cable. We get the cable, and in the box we get the in-ear monitor itself, and here's a extra ear tip and a warranty card. And now let's unbox the in-ear monitor. As you can see, this looks beautiful in a transparent shell and with a golden ring inside. The drivers are covered in a golden grill, which looks quite premium. And this is how it looks like when zoomed in without flash. And as you can see, it looks beautiful. And let's turn on the flash, and as you can see, when you turn on the flash, and it looks beautiful, as if it's some kind of a crystal or something. And this is what the cable looks like, and it looks like a hook which hooks in your ear, which is perfect. So initially I would say cable feels kind of heavy and better than your average 500 rupees earphone cable, I would say. Well, I have bored you enough, so let's come straight to the point. The sound quality, how it compares to the EDX Pro, which costs rupees 1000 and this one costs rupees 700. So is it worth it? For the price of 700, it sounds amazing. When it was new and it was not burned in, I felt that it was very flat and very boring sounding in-ear monitor, but after using it for a week or so, it sounds very flat, very natural, I would say. Highs are good, mids are good, and a little bit of bass. Not very punchy, not very overwhelming, just perfect. Just perfect for 700 rupees. And speaking of mic quality, this entire video voiceover is done by KZ EDX Lite microphone, so you can listen to it. One thing I have done, that is I'm holding the mic right in front of my mouth, and I'll put an audio sample normally, and this is how it looks like when you're wearing them. Sexy, isn't it? This audio is recorded by the mic from EDX Lite, KZ EDX Lite, and with a lot of background noise. Fan is running in the background.